All right, good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. This morning, me and Charlie got here a little bit late. Right now, it is Saturday, January the 25th, and this morning it's going to be very calm and partly cloudy, a little bit overcast, but yeah. We'll be bringing you guys into the woods and to see if we can get some squirrel in. We'll be doing some walk and stalk, and hopefully we try to get some gray squirrel this morning, and then during the afternoon we'll be going out to the fields to get some fox squirrel. And yeah, we're me and Charlie will be hunting together, and also we brought in one of our friends, and he'll be shooting with us too. So majority of today is we'll put him on squirrels and see if we could find some. Okay, so hop along with us, and let's see if we could get some in. All right, folks, stay tuned, and let's see what happens. Hold on, AP. Try to go around that tree so the squirrel could wrap back this way. Okay. Yeah, just get ready. Keep going forward. Okay, right there. Okay, you see it? Okay. There's his head right there. Oh, perfect. Okay, AP, get ready. Let me get Charlie to come over. Charlie, keep going so the squirrel could turn this way. Oh, good job. All right, good job, buddy.
It looks like a big one.
No, it is a big one. Go grab your squirrel, man. Dude, that's a nice one.
Right on top of the noggin.
You headshot?
Yeah, afraid to take it out. Oh, look at all this. See a little bit easy.
Hey, Charlie, kind of look up. Maybe there might be more than one. Dude, good job, man. That's a nice one. Oh. Shoot him in the head again. He's not dead yet. Or step on it or something. See any more, Charlie? Well, at least we got one, so nice. There you go. Yep, he's gone. That's nice and tender. See any more over there, Charlie? Alright guys, it seems like we spot another squirrel for AP. He's gonna get ready to take the shot. You want a tripod, man? Okay, Charlie, go on the other side. Yeah, so when it turns around, go for it. Yeah, there's Charlie over here now. He's gonna wrap around that tree, and the squirrel should be turning around to us anytime now. Okay. Yeah, you can see his tail, huh? Anytime. See his head? There, let me put this tripod going up. There we go. There you go. You got it. You got it. Okay. It's there you go. It's coming down. There you go. Oh. Go for it one more time, man. Try to hit the head. Oh. There it is. Run over here and grab it, Charlie. He's down, Charlie. The base of that tree.
I didn't hear him fall.
Oh, that looks like a nice one. Yeah. Oh yeah, hell yeah.
Got a stripe on him.
Yeah. Pick it up. Pick it up, Charlie. That's probably oh yeah, it's good to mount. Right on. Okay, that's gonna be a mounter. Hey, congratulations, AP. Right on, man. Here, bring it closer. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, up more. Okay, we get to mount that one. That's a nice one. All right, buddy. Congratulations to AP and Charlie. Good job bringing the squirrel to AP to get this thing going. All right, guys, we get back with you as soon as we spot another squirrel.
All right, guys. That cow spotted a squirrel in this half-dead tree over here. I've actually seen it jump from one main trunk to the other, but I'm not sure with all the hole. There might be a den. Did you spot it? Oh, I see it. It's way up there.
Hey, AT, can you walk down that way? And get your gun ready. If you see on your side, shoot it.
All right, guys. It's way up there. I'm gonna zoom. Yeah, I know. Maybe AP can walk around, or you want me to walk around?
No, I'm just
Hey,
waiting
AT,
for
can you walk
AP
down that way?
Yeah, until it turns.
And get your gun ready. If you see on your side, shoot it.
Though.
He's on that back side. Oh, okay, I see his tail. I see his tail. I can see half his body.
Yeah, I could too.
You gonna go for it?
Yeah, I don't like
I'm
shooting.
just waiting for
You know, I don't like to be Billy the Kid. You know what I mean?
I'm
Keep-
still on recording on the GoPro though.
Keep going. Keep going.
You keep going, buddy.
I think I see his back.
Yeah, I could too. Yeah, I don't like shooting. I don't like to be Billy the Kid, you know what I mean?
If you can see his head, then shoot it, okay? If you can see it, shoot it. If you can see the head.
Okay, guys, I think it's right.
Keep going, buddy.
It's right there somewhere.
It's up there. Got it?
Guys.
Ready?
Cow spots a squirrel up there. Yeah, hold on. All right. Let me see if I
Ready?
can watch it.
Ready?
Drop. Go for it. He's climbing up. Oh, he sounded heavy. Go for it. He's climbing up.
Thank you, man.
He sounded big. Coming down.
There's another one, buddy. Somewhere around here too.
All right. How big is he? Oh, he's fat. That's a fat squirrel, guy.
Yeah.
Show him what you got there, Cal. Don't get too close.
The male got him in the head.
Right on.
Yeah. First shot, it was all the way over there, like 75 yards. Before I missed that shot, so came closer and then got him up here. Okay. Nếu như đó, có lấy tu, nó không tự là gì. Bây giờ con AP nữa, có lấy on Alright guys, so I guess I got two fox squirrels. I mean, AP got two fox squirrels. I shot one, so we had three fox squirrels. And this morning was like very, very windy.
Wait, it's still windy.
And yeah, it's cold too. So, man, my hands are kind of like frozen right now. All right, man, we get back with you as soon as we find another one.
Right on.
One over here, Charlie.
I think there's. All right, let
I
me.
told you that there was one that's far away.
You want me to keep recording? Here, let me. If you see it, yeah. If you don't see it, we'll just cut it out.
Yeah.
But it's still recording.
Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah. I tried to look for that one, but I think it probably went inside that hole. You know, Charlie?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
All right. At least you got it.
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Signing off.
there's a squirrel over there, like 100 yards down. I missed that one, so it ran down the tree. There was one barking down there, but it ran down too. So we gotta slowly go up and see if we can find another one. Okay, giờ phong na sau nó chỉ bỏ tu nãy nhớ bỏ bể đi, ít bỏ yard đó ya, đó là tua chỉ trâu chỉ này kia là, mỗi thứ anh đã đó là nếu họ kia là thế chứ, bây giờ một bể hồng đây sẽ bỏ vô bỏ luôn okay. Alright, folks. At this point, me and Charlie and our friend AP, we split up. So they went that way, and I'm gonna go forward and loop around, try to catch up with them. But I'll be solo for the moment. Okay. Stay tuned and see if we can get another one.
Maybe that's what I thought.
Yeah, it's in there.
Yeah, I thought I seen it, but I thought it was well, maybe.
See it in there? Use your binocular. It's in there somewhere. Oh, where did it go? Let me see, hold on. Is there? Okay. Is the
I see it.
camera on
I see it.
recording?
I see it.
Is the camera on recording?
I think so.
Okay.
You gonna get it?
It's in the cedar.
Yeah.
Kind of hard to determine where it's at. Can you point it out?
What?
Can you point it out? It's kind of hard to.
Oh shit! Your
Kind of
camera.
hard to determine where it's at. I don't know if that's on the branch somewhere.
It's in the cedar on a branch.
Yeah.
It's actually on a. Hold on. Let me see if I could. If I see it. Maybe I can show you.
No, it's still there. It's long. Okay, I see it. Okay, I see it. I see it. Alright, Charlie, make sure the camera's on record over there.
It's
Is it on
recording.
record? Okay. Yeah, it's got his head hiding. Just get a shoot where I think that's the head, okay, Charlie? I might miss it.
Why are you telling me? You need to tell the audience.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm telling you so you can tell the audience.
Ooh, good hit.
Alright. Oh, there it is.
Well, get your squirrel here.
I
I'll
thought
grab
you
the
did.
camera.
Did you hit him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
He felt like he's still moving.
Hold on.
Hey, how come the camera's pointing up?
Because that's where
Oh.
your head was, and that's where you was aiming.
Oh, okay.
How do you unlock this? Right here?
There. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Alright guys, I shot a squirrel over there, so we gotta go pick it up.
But no.
It's kind of hard to see because
There was a gray squirrel, right?
Yep.
it was kind of hard to see because
It's up to you.
It's right on the base. It said walked away. Was it was a zombie or something?
I'm not gonna walk away, but that's for sure it's a headshot.
I'm telling you, I saw him walk down crawl down that tree there.
Oh, well maybe it was a zombie then.
Yeah, maybe it was.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright folks,
Oh, you got him in the arm or
I
what?
hit him in the head.
And he still walked away.
Oh yeah, he still walked away. No, I think he was flopping. Alright, got a gray squirrel. We did shot a few squirrel over there, like 2 gray and
There's 3.
yeah, 2 gray and 1 fox. So Charlie and AP shot them. So we didn't get them on camera, but I got them on scope cam. So I'll put that up. got this one, and we get to hit down back to the truck. After that, then we get a loop around their farm to see if we could get some fox squirrel. All right, let's go, Charlie.
All right. Here, you can man your
You want
camera.
to bag it up? You got a bag?
Yeah, man your camera so I can go get my gun.
Yeah. Oh.
This thing actually flopped over.
That's
So it's
okay.
pointing up the sky. All right, guys, can you see it? I see it. I see it. I see it. You're gonna get it or not? Let me try to zoom in. Oh, you injured it. Oh, it fell. It fell. Guys, I guess Cal must have hit it, and it had a little bit of life in it, and ran up that trunk, that tree branch, and fell down. Trying to get through all this stuff. He dropped.
That was a body shot.
Yeah. Hopefully he expired. There he is. There he is.
Oh, is that a passing?
No, I think it's right there.
Oh, okay, there it is.
There he is, right there.
Good eye, Charlie. Good eye.
Hold on. I'm trying to record you and walk at the same time. Let me, okay. Let's see your squirrel. Oh, he's...
It's a big meal.
Oh, good.
All right, guys. So that was quite a distance too. It's probably like 70 yards out, and
That
I
body
think I
shot.
was aiming for the headshot or something, but for some reason it got him in the body. So it's a body shot, and
Got him in
yeah.
the lungs.
Woohoo!
That's
It's
a nice
beautiful
orange.
Yeah, it's a nice, beautiful fox squirrel.
Yeah, I didn't actually was behind you when you shot that, but I was trying to zoom in on that squirrel, but I guess you went ahead and pulled the trigger.
Oh yeah, because it was running like crazy, you know. But I got him on a scope cam, and yeah, Charlie shot a fox squirrel off camera too.
100 yards.
Yeah, that's like a 100-yard shot.
And I
Yeah.
didn't get it on scope cam. Imagine that.
Yeah, but anyway. Anyway, we'll be going maybe down this way somewhere, or maybe back this way, and see if we can find some more fox squirrel. Yeah, this morning was very nice, and right now it's like in the afternoon. We managed to shoot a few squirrel, but you know, they weren't. Well, actually, we broke off during the morning. So Charlie and AP went somewhere, I went somewhere. So we didn't get any kill shot footage or any footage, hunting footage. But we'll show you the squirrel later on when we get back from the evening hunt.
I think we got 5.
Yeah, I think 5.
5?
6. But we did have some kill shot footage, and I'll put that on too. Yeah, all right, guys. So actually, I think the squirrel was sitting like this.
I don't know, but hold on, you're way too close.
Oh, sorry, man.
Okay.
So actually, the squirrel.
Here, let me
was sitting
zoom
like
in
this.
if you want.
Yeah. So I shot the squirrel right here, right here
Okay.
in the shoulder.
And it came out.
And then it came out on the side. So it's actually, it's almost where I aimed it. So it's pretty darn accurate, But I would like to get a headshot, but oh well. This would do right here. Hard shot.
Right on.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we see you on once we get in on another squirrel. Okay. Stay tuned now.
All right. Good shot.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And what you're using, your
Yep. As always.
DRS?
Yeah. As always. I'm like attached to this rifle right now. So it's almost the end of the season. So I'm just dedicated to this rifle for the end of this season. And then during the spring again, we'll go back to the impacts and some other guns that
Close quarter.
some other guns that you guys have not seen yet. So it's going to be a good year this year, and of course. All right, cho phong na. Chia cá hay Nepal thế mà nhiều tôi lấy thôi là không từ nó thế. Tôi đi vào xa chỗ giao lên đó, nhưng đấy chỗ theo đấy mà tôi to lại, lên nó nè, ít lên nó chỉ cho bây giờ các đồng chí tụi nào rồi này bây mà lấy hay lên bao đó chứ, alright.
You're on your own because I didn't bring my backpack.
Yeah, it's okay.
You're gonna have to carry it.
Yeah, let's do this. Let me get it first. And then grab the squirrel.
May want to stop it there.
Yeah. Alright guys, AP saw a fox squirrel over there. He's gonna do a stalk on it. Okay, are you good right there? Alright. I think that's a good 40-50 yards where we target, okay? He's getting ready to take the shot. I think the head went onto the other side, huh?
Yeah.
You saw the tail, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, stay right there. I'm gonna go forward. You stay right there. Okay. Hey, when he turns, you shoot him, okay? All right, guys. So it seems like the squirrel guy's head turned the other way. So I'm gonna see if I could make it turn this way so AP could get a shot at it. I think his first shot was a miss. If you want, you could go a little bit closer, AP. You good? Ready? All right, so this, oh, he got it. You got it. Good job. Good job. Squirrel's right there. Ah. Hey. Right on, buddy. Right on. Right on, buddy. That was a wonderful hit, man. Go grab your squirrel, and there's one more over here, okay? All right, so this is our buddy AP. He's shooting a Uragan, and he just shot a fox squirrel. It fell over here. All right, so it was high up on this tree, and as I moved towards the squirrel, it turned over to AP, so he shot it right here. Let me get a zoom back. It's pretty far down. All right, good job, buddy. Right on, man. Woohoo! Was it a headshot?
Nah, right in his leg.
Oh, okay.
Right by the chest area.
Oh, okay. Yeah, hard shot.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. All right, man. Let's go see if we can find that one over there. Okay. All right, guys. AP's gonna bag it up, and we'll be going to the right of me, and to see if we could find the squirrel over here. All right, guys. There's a gray squirrel over there. AP's getting ready to take the shot. Yeah, at the end. Okay, you could come a little bit to the right. Okay, you see him? Okay. Yeah. Take your time now. Take your time.
You still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Right corner?
Yeah, just waiting for you, buddy. You got it. Oh man, good shot. Let's go pick up that. I think that's a gray squirrel, man. Nice.
He blends right in.
Yeah, I know. It's like nice shooting, man. I know it's the same color as the tree, right? Hell yeah. But good job, dude. Good job, man. Man, it looks small from here, but it's big, huh?
No, it ain't big.
Yeah, it's a good size. Yeah,
Oh.
perfect eating size, dude.
That's small, man.
Yeah, perfect. Nice and tender, man. Right on, buddy. Good job. Okay, let's get you on another squirrel, man. I think I saw some back there too. Right on. All right, folks. Let's go to forward, and let's see if we can get another one. All right, guys. I guess me and Charlie and AP, we call it quits. It is getting dark now. I can see that Charlie's still shooting in the background down there. You saw a few squirrel, and yeah, today we did fair. Everybody, I believe, probably shot at least 2 or more squirrel, and yeah, right here. We shot about here. I got about 4 fox squirrel here, okay, and about 5
Here. All right. Okay, so we got 5 gray squirrel and 4 fox squirrel. Okay, so combined, and I don't know if Charlie shot any, but anyway, he's coming here, so maybe he might shoot 1 or 2. But right now we have 5 grays and 4 fox squirrel. As always, with my FXDRS, Charlie's using his impact, and AP is using his Uragan. And yeah, well, I guess we'll see you on the next video. And until then, you guys stay safe now, okay? All right, Charlie, did you get any?
No.
Oh,
I
okay.
nipped one in the nose. He was bleeding in the face. That's about it.
Yeah, but anyway, we got some. We got some squirrel right here. That's plenty. That's plenty.
All right.
All right, let's go home, buddy.